Hello and welcome to the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to talk about the angle sum property and exterior angle property of triangles. In the previous sessions we were talking about lines, rays and line segments, and then parallel lines and transversal. And in this session we are going to talk about the angle sum property of triangles and the exterior angle property. So are you guys ready? Just confirm that in the chat, guys, so that we can start with this session. So first we'll see the angle sum property and then we'll be knowing its proof as well. Hello Samarpita, good evening, welcome to this session. And then we'll be doing questions on the angle sum property as well. So I hope you guys are ready with that. Let's start with this session, guys. So we want to see the angle sum property of triangles. You have been seeing this angle sum property since childhood, right? So if you have got a triangle over here, suppose I make a triangle, any random triangle I have got, suppose this is over here triangle A, B and C. So you know that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, right? So that is 180 degrees. So you can write over here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, correct? So this property you know since childhood. I think since grade 7 you have studied this. Yes Samarpita, you have studied this in grade 7 only. Now there is a proof to this angle sum property. So basically two ways are there to prove it. So basically we use the concept of parallel lines and transversals only to prove the angle sum property. So let's do that, guys, okay? So very simple proof. For that you have to do a construction. And what is that construction? So you see over here through the vertex A, you will draw a line parallel to BC. Through vertex A, you will draw a line parallel to the base BC, you can say. So these are basically parallel and you show parallel lines like this. Using this sign, you show parallel lines, right? Now basically just suppose I'm assuming this angle to be X and I'm assuming this angle to be Y over here. So can I not say using alternate interior angles, because this is parallel to this line? So can I not say this is also Y, guys, alternate interior angles? Can I say that? So I can say that angle C is equal to Y. In the same manner, angle B is equal to X or not, because they are alternate interior angles, correct? They are equal because they are alternate interior angles, correct? This is a very simple thing which you have studied in the previous sessions. Now you see this is a straight line. We have constructed this to be a straight line. Suppose let's name it to be L. So sum of all the angles, if I make two rays over here, so sum of these angles will be 180 or not, correct? Since L is a straight line over here. Since L is a straight line, we can write in short like this. L is a straight line. So can I not say over here, therefore X plus angle A, this is angle A, guys, obviously, right? Angle A plus Y, that is equal to 180 degrees. Correct. Now in place of X can I write B and in place of Y can I write C? So have I proved it, guys, that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. This is the proof of the angle sum property in case of triangles. Is it clear to every student in this session? Samarpita, maths and science with me, is it clear to you? Any doubt in this thing? That is the angle sum property in case of triangles and it is its proof. It's a very simple proof using the concept of parallel lines and transversals. Yeah, it's a very simple thing, right? So the proof can also be asked in examination. Now let's do some questions on the basis of the angle sum property. So see, normally I'm not taking very simple questions over here because the simple questions on the basis of the angle sum property, you know, you have done those questions. So first we'll do a basic question. You can try doing this one. And then we'll be taking some two important results on the basis of the angle sum property of a triangle. Try doing this one. This is a very simple question. The angles of a triangle are x minus 40 degrees, x minus 20 degrees, x by 2 minus 10 degrees. So you have to find the value of x and then you have to find the angles of the triangle. Can you try doing this thing and let me know the answer in the chat, guys? The angles of the triangle are given over here. And you have to find the value of x and then the angles of the triangle. So see, it is given that x minus 40 is an angle. So therefore x minus 40 plus the other angle is x minus 20 and the third angle over here is x by 2 minus 10. So sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, guys. Yes, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That is given over here, Samarpita. Why x minus 100 you are talking about? That is x by 2 minus 10 over here. So let's solve for x over here, Samarpita. So you see, I can say this is x plus x 2x plus x by 2, and these things I can take on the other side of the equation. So that is basically, so that will be equal to 250 over here, right? That will be 250. So you can solve this equation, you'll get 5x by 2, or 2 I can multiply on the other side of the equation, that is equal to 250 over here, correct? This is equal to 250 over here. Now this is 5 5s are 25. So therefore x is coming out to be 100. Okay, I think you are talking about x only. So x is equal to 100 degrees over here, correct? X is equal to 100 degrees is correct. Because you have written x minus 100, therefore I was getting confused in that, Samarpita. So x is equal to 100 we are getting. Now we have to find the angles of this triangle. It is very simple. So one angle is x minus 40 over here. So x minus 40, if you take x to be 100, so it will be 100 minus 40. So that is equal to 60 degrees. Now what about the other angle over here? The next angle is x minus 20 over here, correct? X minus 20 degrees. So that is 100 minus 20 degrees, and that is equal to 80 degrees. Now the third angle over here is what, guys? The third angle over here is x by 2 minus 10. Correct? This is x by 2 minus 10 degrees. Now x we have got to be equal to 100. So 100 by 2 minus 10, so that is 50 minus 10, so that is equal to 40 degrees. So the angles of this triangle over here, that they are 60, 80 and 40 degrees. Is it clear? It's a very simple question. Hello Ashik, welcome to the session. Is it clear? Samarpita, maths and science, Ashik, just confirm that in the chat, guys. Is it clear to everybody over here? It's a very simple question on the basis of the angle sum property of triangles. I hope it is clear. Now you see, this was a basic question. Now let's move on to some twisted questions. Hello Abhipsita, welcome to this session. Let's move on to the next one. Can you try doing this one, guys? If one of the angles of a triangle is 120 degrees, then the angle between the interior bisectors of the other two angles. Can you try doing this one? Okay, Hamid. Try doing this one. So if one of the angles of a triangle is given to be 120 degrees, then you have to find the angle between the interior bisector of the other two angles of that triangle. So this is one of the important results basically. So I'll show its proof as well, and you have to remember it as a result. One of the important things you have to remember in case of angles in a triangle. So basically the situation is this: one angle is 120 degrees. So basically first I will derive this situation for you, okay? I'll derive it for you. I mean a general thing I will do, right? So basically suppose this is a triangle ABC over here, okay? And just suppose I'm naming this angle to be X. Just suppose I'm naming this angle to be X. Let's see that, Samarpita, over here. Now I'm making the bisectors of the other two angles. Correct? These are the bisectors. This, suppose I'm naming it O. OB is the bisector of angle B. OC is the bisector of angle C. I can say that these are bisectors. Now if they are bisectors, what we can say over here, guys? It means if I say that this angle is Y, this will also be Y. If I say that this angle is Z, this is also Z. That is the meaning of bisectors, correct? I hope this is clear to everybody. It's a very simple thing. Now if you take triangle OBC over here, if you talk about triangle OBC, in this triangle, can I use the angle sum property, guys? So can I not say that angle BOC plus Y plus Z, that is equal to 180 degrees? Can I say that, guys? Yes or no? In this, from here, can I not say that Y plus Z is equal to 180 minus angle BOC? Do you agree with this, guys? In the same manner, if I take triangle ABC over here, if I take triangle ABC over here, right? Okay, and you don't need to take it to be angle X. I mean, that is not useful over here. I mean, you can take it, it's all up to you, right? So that is not useful, therefore I'm removing that, right? So in triangle ABC, can I say that angle A plus 2 times of angle Y and 2 times of angle Z? plus 2y plus 2z, that is equal to 180 degrees. Can I say it over here, guys? I hope you agree with this thing. Okay. Now over here, if you further simplify, guys, can I not say that angle A plus 2 into y plus z I can write over here, and that is equal to 180 degrees. I hope this is clear to everybody. Now over here you see this is angle A plus 2 into, in place of y plus z, can I write 180 minus angle BOC? Tell me. So in place of y plus z I can write 180 minus angle BOC over here, and that is equal to 180 degrees. Can I do it like this, guys? Do you agree with me? Okay. Now if you further simplify this thing and you open up this bracket over here, you'll get angle A plus 360 degrees minus 2 times of angle BOC, and that is equal to 180 degrees. I hope this thing is clear up till here. Correct? Now can I take BOC on the other side of the equation? So basically what will I get? Tell me. I'll get 2 angle BOC. 2 angle BOC will be equal to, this will be subtracted, 360 minus 180 will be 180 only. So this will be angle A. I can write angle A, I'll write it properly, wait. This is a very important result which must be on your tips. So I can write it like this or not, tell me. 180, I can write 180 plus angle A. Do you agree with me, guys? So I have got 2 angle BOC is equal to 180 plus angle A over here. Now basically, can I divide on both the sides by 2 over here, guys? Can I divide both the sides by 2? So we will get 2 angle BOC. If I get angle BOC over here, if I divide on both the sides by 2, I will get 90 plus half angle A. Correct or not? So this is a very important result. It means if we have got a triangle and suppose this angle is given, then the angle between the bisectors of the other 2 angles, the angle between the bisectors of the other 2 angles will be what? It will be 90 plus half angle A. This you have to remember as a result, and its proof as well. Is it clear? Abhipsita, Ashik, Hamid, Samarpita, maths and science with me. Is it clear? The derivation of the thing, and you have to remember it as a result as well. So the answer will be directly what? It will be 90 plus half angle A. So 90 plus, the angle is given over here 120. So that will be 120 by 2. So this is what, guys? 90 plus 60. So that is 150. So 150 is the answer. Very good, Samarpita. Your answer is correct. So 150 is the answer. You have to remember it as a result. Don't forget that. It's not just about deriving it, but many a times when you do it in competitive examinations, it must be on your tips. It's not just about knowing its derivation. The result must be directly known to you. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Okay. Now let's do a similar question. Try doing this one. If one of the angles of a triangle is 62 degrees, obviously this is degree over here, is 62 degrees over here, then the angle between the exterior bisectors of the other 2 angles. You have to find the angle between the exterior bisectors of the other 2 angles. Hello Ayush, welcome to this session. Try doing this one, guys. The angle between the exterior bisectors of the other 2 angles. This is also an important question and you must remember the result. It must be on your tips. Hello Ayush, good afternoon. So let us make the figure first. Again, I'll try to explain using a general result. It means you have got a triangle over here. Any random triangle you can take. Okay, suppose this is ABC. And basically what you are doing over here, basically you are extending 2 sides of this triangle. It means suppose this side I'm extending up till here and this side I'm extending up till here. Okay, 2 sides we are extending over here, right? And then we are talking about the bisectors of the external angles. Correct? These are the bisectors of the external angle. If you extend one side of a triangle, this will be the external angle, guys. This will be the external angle. And these are the bisectors of the external angle. Suppose they are intersecting at O. So we have to find the angle between the bisectors of the external angle. Let's see that. Very good, Vikas. That is the result. Hello, that's good, maths and science. So let us derive that, and it's a very important result, and the same logic will be used over here as well, this simple thing over here. So over here, see, again these are bisectors. So suppose this is x, so this will also be x. If I take this to be y, this will also be y. I hope this thing is clear to every student over here, guys. Any doubt in that? Okay. Now, if I take triangle BOC over here, same logic is used, guys, in this one as well. In triangle BOC, can I directly write using the angle sum property? Can I say over here that BOC can be written like this, or wait, or not BOC? Let's not write BOC because we have to actually prove it. Let's not write BOC. Can I say over here that angle x plus y can be written as 180 minus angle BOC? Can I say that using the angle sum property of a triangle? Angle BOC, x plus y can be written as 180 minus BOC. I hope that is clear. It's a very simple thing. I hope that is clear. Okay. Now one more thing over here, guys. Can I not say that this angle is 180 minus 2x? Can I say that? In the same manner, this angle is 180 minus 2y, because they are forming a linear pair, correct? You see that this angle and this angle, they are forming linear pairs. In the same manner, this angle and this angle, they are forming linear pairs. So if this total is 2x, so this will be 180 minus 2x. If this total is 2y, this will be 180 minus 2y. I hope this is clear up till here. It's a very simple thing. Now can I use the angle sum property in the triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, can I use the angle sum property, guys? So if I use the angle sum property, what will I get? Can I get 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y plus angle A, you see over here, that is equal to 180 or not, guys? Can I say that? So you see 180 will be cancelled out. I hope this thing is clear to everybody. It's a very simple proof, right? Now over here, we just need to write x plus y to be equal to this. Just need to write x plus y to be equal to this. Our proof will be done over here, right? So let's further simplify it, guys. So can I say this is 180 minus 2, I can take as common. So x plus y will be there plus angle A, and that is equal to 0 over here, correct? This can be written like this. Now let's do it further, guys. This is nothing but 180 minus 2 into, in place of x plus y, can I write 180 minus angle BOC, guys? I can write 180 minus angle BOC plus angle A, that is equal to 0. Can I do something like this? Now let's open up this bracket. I'll get 180 minus 360 if I open up this bracket plus 2 angle BOC over here plus angle A, that is equal to 0. I hope this is clear. Now I want to find BOC actually. So 2 angle BOC can be written like this or not, tell me. This is nothing but minus 180. So I can write it 180 minus A. So if I divide on both the sides of this equation by 2, I'm going to get angle BOC to be equal to 90 minus A by 2. I hope this is clear. So you see over here the result, they are similar. Why are you teaching? What is that logic, Abhishek? Okay, I hope it is clear. So therefore, if you have got a triangle in which one angle is given, then the angle between the external bisectors of the other two angles will be what? 90 minus half of the given angle. And if the internal angle bisectors is being asked, so it will be 90 plus half of the angle given. I hope it is clear. This result must be on your tips, the proof as well as the result. You cannot derive it every time. You don't have that much time every time. So the answer in this case will be 90 minus half angle 62. So this is the answer. So this is basically 90 minus 31. So what is the answer, guys? Tell me. 90 minus 31 will be, I think, 59. Right? So 59 degrees is the answer. Is it clear to every student in this session? Just confirm that, guys. Is the proof clear to everybody, and also the result is clear or not? The result must be on your tips. Thanks, Vikas. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. So these things can come in any competitive examination up till grade 10 if you are talking about Vikas, right? Whether it is BPSC or SSC or all that, I mean, these results must be on your tips, and it can come. And it comes basically because see, you don't have that much time in competitive examinations to derive these results. These results must be on your tips. And also you must know the proof as well. Suppose it has come in your school examination, you cannot, directly write the answer. You have to prove it as well. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Now we are going to see the exterior angle property of triangles, or you may call it external angle property, right? So it's again very simple. Let's see that, guys. So basically, if you have got a triangle, suppose I'm making a triangle like that, and suppose it is ABC. So basically, if you extend one side of a triangle, suppose I'm extending this side, BC I'm extending. So obviously, this is the external angle so formed. Suppose I'm extending it up till D. This is the exterior angle so formed over here. So the exterior angle so formed after extending one side of a triangle, that is angle ACD, will be equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. When you extend one side of a triangle, this angle so formed will be equal to angle A plus angle B. The exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. I hope this is clear to every student over here. Now the proof is pretty simple, very simple proof it is. Suppose I am naming this angle to be x, correct? I am naming this angle to be x. So you see, this is a straight line because you are extending the side BC of that triangle. So can I not say that angle x plus angle BCD over here, that is equal to 180 degrees? Because they are forming a linear pair, guys. Do you agree with me? They are forming a linear pair over here because BCD is a straight line, correct? BCD is a straight line. In the same manner, can I not say that angle A plus angle B plus x is equal to 180 degrees? Because using the angle sum property of triangles, you can write in short angle sum prop. Okay, that is the angle sum property of triangles over here. So you see, in both the equations, you have got 180 on the right hand side. You have got 180 on the right hand side. So can I not equate their left hand sides, guys? So can I not say over here, I can say that x plus angle BCD over here, that is equal to angle A plus angle B plus x over here, correct? So can I not cancel out x from here, guys? I can cancel out x. So have I proved that BCD is equal to A plus B? So if you extend one side of a triangle, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. This is a very famous proof which everybody must know. It must be on your tapes. You must know its proof and you must be able to do its questions as well. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Now I can see one more thing. Suppose it is not clear, I will show you. So suppose I've got this triangle PQR over here. Suppose I'm extending this side. So this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. Exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. Suppose over here you can extend other side as well. For example, I'm extending this over here. So this angle so formed will be equal to this plus this. Exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So for example, I'm extending this over here. So this angle so formed will be equal to this angle plus this angle. Correct? So in the same manner, it will keep on going. The exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. Is it clear to every student in this session? Abhishek, Vikas, Samarpita, is it clear to every student? Any doubt in that, guys? Just confirm that in the chat so that we can move on to questions on the basis of the exterior angle property of triangles. I hope this is clear. So let's move on to the next things over here. So first, let's do a basic question. Can you try doing this one and let me know the answer, guys? It's a simple question on the basis of the exterior angle property. So you have to find the angle B over here. Try doing this one and let me know the answer in the chat. Try doing this one, guys. So you see over here that this is the exterior angle or the external angle. So it must be equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles, correct? So I can say over here that 2x minus 20, if I take this 2x minus 20 plus x plus 70, I can say that and that is equal to the exterior angle so formed, that is equal to 110 degrees. So if you solve this equation, what will you get, guys? If you solve this equation, you will get x is equal to, you'll get 3x is equal to, this is 50. So that is equal to 60 over here, right? So from here you'll get x is equal to 20 degrees. So x is coming out to be equal to 20 degrees if you see this question, right? So x is coming out to be 20. Now you have to find the value of angle B. Now what is angle B over here, guys? Angle B in front of you, that is x plus 70 degrees. Now x we have got to be equal to 20 degrees, and this is 20 plus 70, that is equal to 90. So therefore the measurement of angle B over here will be equal to 90 degrees. I hope the question is clear to every student in this session. It's a direct question on the basis of the exterior angle property. That is correct. Maths and science with me, Samarpita and Vikas. Very good. It's a direct question. I hope this is clear to everybody. Now let's do some other questions, guys. Can you try doing this one and let me know the answer over here? You have to find the measurement of angle Y over here. Can you try doing this one? Try doing this one, let me know the answer over here. So basically it is given that L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. This is given in the question itself. Try doing this one and let me know the answer quickly. So again, this is a direct question on the basis of two properties basically, only one property will not do. So you see it is given in the question that L and M, they are parallel to each other, right? So if this and this, they are parallel, can't we say that this is the transversal, guys? So can I not say that this angle will also be 60 degrees because they are alternate interior angles, correct? If this is parallel to this and this is the transversal, so therefore this angle will be equal to this angle, alternate interior angles. Now if you talk about this triangle over here, can't we say that 60 degree is the exterior angle and these are the two interior opposite angles over here? So can I not say over here that y plus 25 using the exterior angle property, y plus 25 is equal to 60 degrees. So if you solve this equation, can I not say that y will come out to be equal to 35 degrees? Is this clear to every student in this session? Screen is not clear. Please refresh once, Samarpita, maybe some internet issue at your end, because that can only happen. Is it clear? I mean, just you can go out and then come inside the YouTube. Yeah, that is correct, Shrey and Vikas. Any doubt in this question to any student in this session? Just confirm that quickly. Yes, maths and science, that is correct. So two properties are used, parallel lines and transversal, and the exterior angle property of triangles. I hope it is clear to every student in this session. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing, guys. Can you say, suppose this is a figure in front of you and all of these are straight lines, okay? All of these are straight lines only. So suppose I name them as A, B, C, D, E. So can you tell me what is the value of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E? Can you tell that what is this? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E over here. What is this thing, guys? Can you tell that? This is again a very famous question, right? Keep regular. Yes, the classes are going on daily only, Vikas. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. Samarpita is getting 360 degrees. What about other students? So A, B, C, D, E. You have to find the sum of these angles over here. This is again a very famous question, and this figure is called a pentagram. That extra thing you must know. This figure over here is called as pentagram. It is not a star, okay? If you call it a star, then you are wrong. It's not a star. This is called as a pentagram. Okay, what about other students? 45 into 3 you are getting, Patty. I hope I'm pronouncing your name as correctly. This is a pentagram. Can you tell me what is the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E? This is a famous question, guys. An important question over here. So basically the answer is going to be 180 degrees, correct? The answer is going to be 180 degrees only. This is 180 degrees. I'll show how it is 180 degrees. See, if suppose I name this to be x, if I name this to be x and this angle to be y, I can do that, guys. It's all up to us. Now, if you see this triangle, can you see this triangle over here? If you see this triangle, can I not say that angle x is equal to b plus e, the exterior angle property? Just see it properly. That will be 180 degrees, Vikas. Okay, Venkat, I've just started this question. Just see it over here. If you see this triangle over here, can I not say that this angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle, exterior angle property? See it properly. Or give me some seconds, I'll name those triangles over here so that it is clear to you properly. Wait. Give me some seconds, I'll name those triangles over here. So suppose I'm naming it P over here. So if I talk about triangle BPE, see it properly, triangle BPE, can I not say that angle X is equal to angle B plus angle E, exterior angle property? Correct? I can do that over here, Venkat. Now over here, suppose I name this point as Q. So if I see the triangle AQC, if I see the triangle AQC over here, can I say that angle Y will be equal to angle A plus C? Just see it properly, because these are exterior, we are using exterior angle property. Is it clear up till here, guys? Any doubt in that? Again, I'm repeating, if you see the triangle BPE, if you see this triangle BPE, X is the exterior angle, and exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. In the same manner, if I see the triangle AQC over here, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. I hope this is clear. For class 7 and 8, there is a different YouTube channel. Okay, Bhagyashri, there is a different YouTube channel, Infinity Learn class 7 and 8 YouTube channel, Fazan. Please check out there. I hope this is clear. Now, if you see again this triangle, if I talk about this triangle PQD, in this triangle, can I use the angle sum property of triangles? Can I say that angle X plus angle Y plus angle D, that is equal to 180 degrees, guys? Do you agree with me? I can say that. Now, basically, in place of X, can I write B plus E? Tell me. In place of X, I can write angle B plus angle E over here. And in place of Y, can I write A plus C over here? Tell me, guys. I can write angle A plus angle C. And D will remain as it is. So, have I proved that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 180 degrees? Have I proved that? Any doubt in that? So, therefore, the answer is 180 degrees. Is this clear to every student in this session? And this figure is called a pentagram. These are not two triangles over here. If you are saying 360 degrees, then for that you have got a different figure. See, basically, if you are making two triangles like this, one triangle like this and the other triangle like this. So, this figure is not like that figure. These two figures are different from each other. Over here, if I am asking what is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F, then you can say that it will be 360. Why? Because you see over here, you are making two triangles. Basically, this plus this will be 180, angle sum property, and this plus this will again be 180, angle sum property. So basically, sum of these angles will be 360, 180 plus 180. This is a pentagram, this is not a pentagon. I hope it is clear, maths and science with me. So is this clear, the difference between this figure and this figure? Over here, sum of these angles A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F will be 360, but over here the sum of those vertex angles, that will be equal to 180 degrees. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Now one more question I am giving over here, give me some seconds. One more question I am giving to you. Suppose you have got a triangle over here. I'll tell you. Suppose I name this to be A, B and C, and suppose this is D. Fine. Now basically it is given that BD is the bisector of angle B. Fine. BD is the bisector of angle B, and it is also given that CD is the bisector of angle this. CD is the bisector of external angle ACE. You got it? BD is the bisector of angle B. CD is the bisector of external angle C, or you can say angle ACE. CD is the bisector of angle ACE. If it is given in this question, if in this question it is given that angle A is suppose 70 degrees, can you tell me what is the value of angle D? Have you got the question over here, guys? This is again a very important question. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Vikas. Please check your internet, Venkat. I hope it is clear the previous question. Venkat, was the previous question clear? So you see over here, again I'm repeating, BD is the bisector of angle B, CD is the bisector of angle ACE. If it is given that angle A is 70, can you find angle D over here? Can you tell me what is the answer over here? Okay, Venkat. Can you tell me what is the value of angle D over here? This is an NCERT question of grade 9 basically. But in NCERT it is given as a proof based question, and over here I'm just taking it as an objective question. That's what I'm saying. Many a times in competitive examinations up till grade 10, most of the times they give direct questions from NCERT only. If you talk about like normal competitive examinations, I'm not talking about Olympiads. Olympiads, they are different, right? But if I talk about like normal bank, PO and all that, so they give NCERT concepts only and they twist them, right? Most probably, because they will never give you very high mathematical concepts. They will give you grade 10 concepts only, but the concepts must be on your tips, and you don't need to derive every time. Again, I'm saying BD is the bisector of angle B, CD is the bisector of angle ACE. If angle A is 70, can you find angle D? The question is given in grade 9 NCERT as a proof based question. I have converted it into an MCQ. So the proof is pretty simple. I'll show you over here. See, suppose it is given over here that BD is the bisector of angle B. It means if I take this to be X, this will also be X, right? If I take this to be Y, this will also be Y over here, because CD is also the bisector over here. Now basically you have to use the exterior angle property 2 times. I'll tell that, Yashasvi. I'll use the exterior angle property 2 times and the question will be done. So you see over here, if I take triangle BDC, if I take the triangle BDC over here, can I not say that this angle Y is equal to D plus X, exterior angle property? Can I say that X plus angle D is equal to Y, exterior angle property? Now basically, can I write from here that Y minus X is equal to angle D, exterior angle property? In the same manner, if you talk about triangle ABC over here, if you take the triangle ABC over here, can I not say that this total angle 2Y over here will be equal to angle A plus 2X? Can I say that? Exterior angle property again, angle A plus 2X over here. Exterior angle property once again. So can I not say over here, if I further simplify, I can write it 2Y minus 2X, that is equal to angle A over here, correct? Now over here, if I take 2 as common, I will be getting Y minus X, and that is equal to angle A. I can say it like that. Now in place of Y minus X, can I write angle D over here? So basically you will get what, guys? 2 times of angle D is equal to angle A. So I can say over here that angle D is equal to A by 2. This is a very important result. It must be on your tips. This is an NCERT question. That is correct, Samarpita. So what is the result? That if you have got a triangle and you're extending one side of the triangle, then the angle between the bisector of this angle and the bisector of this external angle, so this angle so formed will be half of this angle. This angle so formed will be half of this angle. This is a direct result which must be on your tips. I hope this is clear to every student over here. So therefore angle D over here will be what? Angle D will be directly angle A by 2. So that will be 70 by 2, or you can say that is equal to 35 degrees. So 35 degrees is the answer. Is it clear to every student in this session? The proof on the basis of this result and the result itself. So actually in this session I had taken two things. One is the angle sum property. I have proved the angle sum property of a triangle, and then the exterior angle property of a triangle. I have proved that result as well. And then on the basis of the angle sum property, I had taken two things, that if one angle of a triangle is given, you have to find the angle between the internal angle bisectors of the two angles of the triangle and the external angle bisectors of the two angles of the triangle, and this result over here. And also I had taken some of the vertex angles of a pentagram. I hope this is clear. So these concepts we had discussed in this session. That's all we needed to do in this class, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, the link of which is given in the description. Because if you subscribe to the Telegram channel, you'll get updates regarding these sessions and also the notes of these sessions. I hope you got the answer, Yashasvi, and also some questions to practice on the Telegram channel. So that's all we needed to do in this session, guys. Bye-bye. We'll meet in the next session. Take care, everybody.